Hi everyone, and welcome back. So I'm going to share with you a quick way to make pepper pot for your seed starting. So what you need is a rectangular pepper, something like this. Right, so the first step is to fold the pepper into half. That's step number one. Step number two is to fold this pepper into another half. Right, so that's step two. Now I'm going to make a line so that to make it easier for the next step. So that's the second fold that we make just now. So I'm going to make a line here, and I'm going to make a line here. Right, so this was the rectangular pepper just now, and we fold it into half, and then we fold it into another half. Right, so now I'm going to open this, and it will look like this. So as you can see, that was the center line that we make just now when we fold it into half. Right, step number three is I'm going to fold this corner towards the center line. So we're going to fold this corner here toward the center line here. Let me fold here so you can see the line. There you go. Right, and this corner as well, fold it toward the center line. So this is the corner from this side. Now for this side, you will notice there will be two pieces of them. Right, we only need this first piece. This one we're going to use it later. So the same thing, we're going to bring this corner toward the center line here. And then this piece, this corner toward this center line. Right, now I'm going to make a line here so that you will see where I fold it later. Right, so this is what we have made. So this corner we already fold it toward the center line, and this corner we also already fold it toward the center line. Now the next step, step number four, was it step number four? Right, we're going to bring this piece that we fold from this side, we're going to bring it toward this side. So it was from this side, we're going to bring it toward this side. Right, so I'm going to bring this toward here. Now as you can see, there's a line here that we draw just now from here. So this line I'm going to continue on this side as well, make it easy to fold later on, and this line as well. So now we have this shape. Right, so after you bring this one to this corner, if you open this flap, you will notice there's an empty pocket here, something that look like a pocket. Right, so I'm going to bring this up. If you see the line that we make just now, we're gonna fold it on that line. So I'm going to bring this up, and I'm going to fold it at this line we made just now. That's the first line, and that's the second line. So it was like this, and then we bring it up, and it looked like this. Right, for the next step, step 5, as you can see, there's line here, and there's line here at the corner. We're going to bring this corner together. Fold it. You see the line? We bring this corner, and then if you see this pocket here, we're gonna fold it toward the pocket here, and we're going to put this corner that we have made into this pocket here. Right, so that was the line just now, and this was the pocket that we made. And then the other corner, we do the same thing, fold them. If you see the line here, fold it toward this pocket here. and then put the corner inside the pocket here. There you go. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Now you have yourself a square pepper pot for your seed starting, and it's secure here, and you can directly put it in the ground when you're ready to plant your plant. Okay, so if you want to do it with newspaper, make sure it's a rectangular newspaper. This one is quite big. We only need at least about half of the size of the newspaper. So just fold the newspaper into half like this. And we're only gonna use half of this to make about this size of pepper pot. Right. So the same thing as well. First thing, we're going to fold it into half. Step number 1. Step number 2, another half. I'm going to put the line to make it easy for you to see. So step 1, step 2, step 3, bring the corner to the center line, and then bring the corner from this first piece to the center line as well. And then step 3, 1, 2, 3, step 4. Step 4, we're going to bring this side toward this side. That's step 4, and when you open it, you have yourself this shape. The next step is to fold this corner here, and you tuck it in to this fold. The same thing for this side. Fold it, and you tuck it in to this side. So you have yourself another potting pepper pot for your seed starting. And this one is a square shape. This one, as you can see, is a rectangular shape.